Hello everyone, hope you're well and thanks for joining me for part 10 of my top 100 places to visit in Edinburgh. If you're brand new to the channel, I'm David, a local tour guide and photographer and author of the Edinburgh City Guide. In this series, I'm going to show you 100 of my favourite places to visit in Edinburgh. Today is number 10 in the series and you find me at one of Edinburgh's most historic and atmospheric burial grounds, New Calton Burial Ground. Opened in 1817, this Victorian burial ground was quickly nicknamed Tombs with a View, and you only have to visit to see why. The views over to the Scottish Parliament, Holyrood Palace and Arthur's Seat are just superb. In its day, it would have been beautifully landscaped, and there's an incredibly atmospheric watchtower, which was built for a very grisly reason, to guard against body snatchers, or resurrectionists as they were often called. In the 1800s, there was a very real fear that a loved one's body could be dug up and sold to the university's anatomical school. The schools needed hundreds of bodies every year, and the only ones they were actually allowed to obtain were of executed criminals, which only averaged around 55 a year and just wasn't enough. All kinds of deterrents were used, including extra deep graves, chaining bodies to coffins, and placing great iron cages called mort safes over the grave. It's thought that a family of up to 10 people at one time lived in this watchtower, so it must have been quite cramped and a rather spooky place to live. Also check out the magnificent Burns Monument in honour of our national poet Robert Burns, close by on Regent Road. Holyrood Palace and the Scottish Parliament are also very close by, very easy to get to. This is such a beautiful and atmospheric place to visit, and easy to walk to from Princes Street or Holyrood Palace. Afterwards, visit the bottom of the Royal Mile, which is close by, visit the Palace of Holyrood House, the adjoining Abbey, the Scottish Parliament, you can get a tour in, Dynamic Earth, and walk up Holyrood Park for amazing views of the city, all of which I'll be covering very soon, so please don't forget to subscribe for that. If you'd like to discover more hidden gems on your visit to Edinburgh, why not come on one of my special photography and sightseeing tours, which you can book on my website, www.adventuresinscotland.uk. It'll be lovely to see you, and it's a great first introduction to Edinburgh when you first arrive. I'll be back soon with number 11 in this series. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye for now.